Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a new setup. What you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. So आज का वीडियो थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. नायका का हॉट पिंक सेल ऑफ कोर्स लाइव हो चुका है एंड ईच एंड एवरी टाइम देयर इज नायका सेल आई ऑलवेज अपलोड सो मेनी वीडियोस फॉर रिकमेंडेशन फॉर यू गाइज. एंड आज का वीडियो मैं शेयर करने वाली हूँ जहाँ पे मैं बताऊंगी कि क्या क्या प्रोडक्ट्स मैं खुद रीस्टॉक करने वाली हूँ बिकॉज आई लव देम एंड मैं रोज ही उसको यूज करती हूँ. सो लेट्स बिगिन. सो यू seen me using this Olaplex number 3 hair treatment. This is for होम पर्पस ओनली. आप घर पे ही इसको यूज कर सकते हो एंड सैलून में जाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं. इट्स सुपर इजी टू यूज. इट एक्चुअली हेल्प्स टू रिपेयर योर डैमेज्ड हेयर. यू कैन सी आई हैव डैमेज्ड हेयर बट लुक एट दैट शाइन, लुक एट दैट सॉफ्टनेस. इट इज सो गुड एंड ये अभी भी खत्म नहीं हुआ है. यू कैन सी व्हाई आई एम रीस्टॉकिंग दिस is just because इस पे 20% ऑफ है, फ्लैट 20% ऑफ. कैन यू बिलीव इट? सो इसका प्राइस एक्चुअली 3250 आता है बट 20% ऑफ होने के बाद ये 2600 का है. सो दिस इज द परफेक्ट टाइम आई रीस्टॉक दिस क्योंकि इसका डेट मुझे पहले से ही मालूम है कि कितना आने वाला है. सो इफ यू हैव टू चेक द डेट बिकॉज expiry date does matter if you're restocking the products. So yeah, this is something I'm restocking and also they have flat 20% off on every product, so you can grab anything you want, but I would highly recommend this. Coming to next product, which is a sunscreen. You guys have seen me talking about this. I am in love, you guys. It is the most gentle, super lightweight sunscreen ever. The texture is just so fine. Look at that, runny, and it's not greasy at all. It blends superbly and I absolutely love it. Now this I would highly recommend you guys. Now they do have two variants. This is the vitamin C one. They also have the niacinamide one. I'm definitely restocking the vitamin C one because yeah, I have already tried it. It works for my skin. I love the texture and this is something you should definitely try. Right, another Wishcare product I am restocking is the underarm roll-on, and that is why because there is up to 50% off on Wishcare products and इस पे भी कहीं ना कहीं 20 to 25% off तो मिल ही जाएगा. Now this is all done. ये सिर्फ एक या दो दिन मैं यूज कर सकती हूँ एंड इसका पैकेजिंग भी ऑलरेडी खराब हो चुका है. So I'm definitely buying this one because it smells so good. Like आप अगर अभी लगाओगे ना रात तक या कल सुबह तक भी आपको बैड स्मेल नहीं आने वाला है. And I really genuinely like this, love this. I have been reaching out to this since I think maybe 3-4 months and yeah, if you are searching for a good underarm roll-on जो you know बहुत देर तक रहे, this is it. Okay, another thing, you have seen me talking about this many times. I think since 2020 or 2021. I love this. This is the Absolute Repair Hair Mask by L'Oreal and इसका पता नहीं मैंने तीन तो बॉटल यूज ही किया है and this is how much it's left. I use it every time I wash my hair. ये थोड़ा सा स्पिल हो गया है क्योंकि मैं इसको रेगुलरली जब भी बाल वॉश करती हूँ मैं इसको यूज डेफिनेटली करती हूँ. दिस इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट हेयर मास्क आई हैव एवर ट्राइड. So yeah, it is genuinely, it's coming from me that you have to try it if you haven't. If you have damaged dry hair, just try it out once. I know for a fact that you will love it. And इसका अभी कुछ उतना ज़्यादा ऑफर नहीं आया है, but if you shop a lot from L'Oreal, there will be free gifts as well. But I don't mind. I have to restock this, and yeah, I genuinely love it. So next up is the Garnier Micellar Water. Like, do I have to say again and again how much I love it? You guys already know. You have seen me talking about this so many times. And ये वाला ना मैंने I think एक महीने पहले लिया था. उसका अभी इतना हाल है तो आप सोच सकते हो मैं इसको कितना यूज करती हूँ. अगेन गार्नियर पे 20 to 25% ऑफ है तो आई एम डेफिनेटली बाइंग दिस अगेन. नॉट द पिंक वन बट द ऑयल इन्फ्यूज्ड वन क्योंकि ये बहुत हेल्प करता है इफ आई एम वेयरिंग अ वाटरप्रूफ मस्कारा. क्योंकि आपको पता है लॉरियल और मेबलिन का वाटरप्रूफ मस्कारा इज सो हार्ड टू रिमूव बट विद दिस इट इज सो easy to remove. You have no idea. If you haven't tried it, try it out. And I really genuinely love this. And you can go for the smaller one, but I'm going to restock a bigger one and a smaller one. Smaller one because क्योंकि traveling में you know आसानी होती है, and bigger one just for my house, my room. and yeah, that's it. This is the one I am definitely restocking. To the last product which I'm going to restock is the Moha sunscreen spray. Now personally you can use this on your face as well, but I love it on my body. It gives that very nice sheen. Let me show you how it actually works. And spray. Now let it sit for a while. It will give you that glow. Look at the difference. It gives you glow. It protects you from sun, and that's what I love about this. It is genuinely very good. I already this is my first bottle, but I was planning to restock it, but अभी जैसे नायका का सेल आ चुका है, I know I have to restock it. and ये ना बहुत long last करता है. like आप एक लोगे तो 3 महीना तो obviously चल जाएगा. I hope so, if you don't go out that much. But again, it has SPF 50, PA triple+, broad spectrum, UVA, UVB protection, and it has the goodness of rice bran oil. I actually love it, and yeah, I think you should definitely try. Alright, those were the products I'm restocking. आप क्या ले रहे हो मुझे जरूर बताना, restock हो या new products हो, comment section में जरूर बताना. And I'm going to mention all the links down in the description box below. These are the products I personally use, and I would highly recommend you to try if you haven't already. And I will see you guys again on my next video, which is tomorrow. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye bye.